Hello, so far I have come across many microcontroller-based scrolling text projects that display different informations, but I think this is the most detailed and practical LED matrix scroller. This time I will try to briefly explain how to make it and the functions of the device, and detailed instructions can be found on the original GitHub page. Basic features include accurate clock refresh via internet time servers, local weather and conditions refreshed every 10 to 30 minutes, new headlines from all the major sources, display Bitcoin current value, display 3D print progress from your OctoPrint server, and display Pi-hole status and a graph. Once connected to your local Wi-Fi network, from any PC or phone you can control many options through a great web interface such as text scroll speed, scrolling frequency, LED brightness, configurable number of LED panels, options of different types of clock displays, next update firmware, as well as enabling or disabling of any of the previously mentioned features. The device is extremely simple to make and contains only 3 components: ESP8266 microcontroller board, 8x32 MIX7219 dot matrix module, and small piezo buzzer. The other part is a beautiful 3D printed box for which the STL files are downloaded from Thingiverse and are slightly modified. Also, the dot matrix module was modified as explained later in the video because the original 8x8 segments were separated from each other. And now let's see how this device works in reality. When we turn on the device, the start sound is heard first and then message hello appears. The following is the versions of the recorded firmware and the local address that the microcontroller received. Later, through this address we enter the web interface through which we control all the options. The data is then uploaded online and displayed in order. Finally, the correct time appears. Timing between data scrolling and data refresh time is set via the web interface. Now let's see how to start the web interface and its functions. In the browser, we need to enter an address that was displayed on the device's startup. This is a home page of the web interface with basic data. On the left is a menu with all options. The most important is the configure options, where is entered the basic data, different AP keys. Also we can enter our message, LED brightness control, display scroll speed, and time between refresh and scrolling data. Also we have many other options. Even we can update firmware through this web
interface. Turn off display or turn on. Bitcoin price. We can choose between many sources of news.
And now let's see how this device is made.